Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're a business owner or managing inventory in Zoho Books, today's tutorial is a game changer. I'm going to show you exactly how to add items one by one and how to import multiple items in bulk, making your inventory management faster, easier, and fully organized. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean, up-to-date inventory ready to go in just a few clicks. Let's dive in. Adding items individually. First, let's start with adding a single item. Log into your Zoho Books account and head straight to the Items tab on your homepage. Here, you'll see an option to add item. Click it and fill in all the necessary details like the item name, description, and price. Once done, save it, and voila! Your item is now part of your inventory. This method is great if you're adding just a few items or new products gradually. Importing items in bulk now, for those of you managing large inventories, importing items in bulk is a huge time saver. Start by preparing your item data file in CSV or Excel format, making sure it includes all required fields like item name, description, and price. Once your file is ready, go back to the Items tab, click the three-dot icon for more options, and select Import Items. Upload your file, and Zoho Books will process the data. After the upload, double-check your dashboard to ensure all items are imported correctly. Accuracy here is key to maintaining clean inventory records. Customization and organization. After importing, you can take your inventory organization a step further. Navigate to Settings arrow. Customization arrow reporting tags. Here, you can create custom tags to categorize your items effectively. This not only helps in tracking your inventory, but also enhances your financial reporting, giving you clear insights into your business performance. And that's it. Adding items individually or importing them in bulk in Zoho Books is now a breeze. By using reporting tags, your inventory stays organized and you save hours of manual work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Zoho Books tips and business hacks.